Woo, 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 woo.
Yeah.
I
Woo!
can definitely confirm
Woo!
the rock
Bling.
on her finger. We can, yes.
She
we can
nodded.
confirm that. No panties on.
Woo!
Yeah.
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami. Yes, and I've been running away from your show.
Why?
I'm scared of you. I know what you do to people.
What does he do?
You bring it down. Yeah. Yes.
Let me feel the skin, because
I
this
wanna
is
feel
not
it
the
as well.
first time. Ooh, it's like baby soft.
Oh wow.
Okay. So, what's the secret? Exfoliations? Keep on.
Vaseline.
Vaselina. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Original.
Yes. No, love it. Not ever. No mangilele ngiphupha.
I think what people don't realize about you, Zodwa, is that you actually work hard.
Yes, yes.
Right.
And I'm the new face of Daily Sun digital marketing. New face.
Oh, congrats.
The face. Oh,
The whole package.
that means from today or from when I signed the contract with Daily Sun, you're gonna see this face while everyone thought it's ugly. You're gonna see it all over the country on billboards. No, you know, people, when you don't put makeup like them, you don't put Brazilian like them, you don't put Peruvian like
You
them.
don't fit in their little bubble.
Yes, and they think you are something else, you know. And at the end of the day, when you take off that makeup and the Peruvian and the Brazilian, there's Zodwa Wabantu.
And you are the
You
real.
see Zodwa Wabantu.
You are the real slay queen, because you slaying with your money, girl.
You know. So there's Zodwa Wabantu in every woman. I'm 34. Yes, I left home when I was 16. It's hard. I still carry the brokenness with me. The everything that you say about me, it's me trying to protect myself because I've been through hell and back. So this is not a character. This is not a personality. It's a shield that I taught myself that bring it on and zongthola.
Yeah.
After my mom passed away when I was 11, then I moved to my granny's house in Dlamini 2 in Soweto. Then I could meet extended families. They would hide eggs, they would hide bread, they would hide, yes. So yes, then I saw, you know, I might as well go out there and use Pandel.
Oh, man.
Till today.
So, and then you say you used to sleep with men for food. Like, explain that. What do you mean by that? Like, does that mean you were a prostitute? Or, like, how would you explain it?
There's no other way to see it or to put it out there. See, oh, I can't say it.
Fat Joe said it.
Sifeba ngama-levels angafani. Thank you, sir.
Inama-level.
Yes.
Inama-levels, Lynn.
Yeah, sifeba ngama-levels angafani. Abanye bafebela ngoba bayafeba nje. For izinto ezinhle mina bengifuna ukulala ngidlile. So bengingafebi ukuthi ngigijima na wonke umuntu. Bengiba nje no Fat Joe wami, ngazi ukuthi nje uyangifida mara ngiyazi ukuthi ngilala naye. So noma ungishela after uFat Joe ngilahlile, na ungishela as in you can say the next one. Then naye angishela, can I buy you champagne?
Yeah.
Or back then besingazi champagne. Nithi nje bhuti wami ungabi uthenga nene. Yes. Ungabi ungithengela neplata because le plata i450 mina i-bright pack iyaphuma namaqanda u60. So can you give me that 450?
Yeah. Different levels of prostitution. Eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sensation.
Yeah. From ngidla u6,000 wami being a debt collector, which is a salary, because bengisebenza like Gandhi Square, then boss yami saw the character and the power as in ngisebenza nzima wathi ngicela ungivulela ibranch eThekwini.
Okay.
So wanginikeza u10,000 ukuthenga ibhodo elisha nespoon esisha neplate, then ngithole accommodation. That's how I moved in KZN. And then ngicela ukuhola since ngichera sekasi yo every chisanyama Soweto. Then bengahamba ama Florida Road yomhlanga whatever. Even now I don't relate ngiyekasi. Then that's how I blew up. Ngidlela imali yami yeSavannah. Then that's how I blew up. Then blowing up I went to plan indaba mina ngifundanga. Angikwazi nokwenza iproposal.
They do.
Just take me back to your debt collector days, right?
Yeah.
What debt did you used to collect? Like, what kind of companies were you collecting debt for?
Besilin ma debt collectors, besisiza abantu aba over indebted, calling them, abanye bathathelwa imoto, izindlu. So yeah, bokunyiwa, you know, it was bad.
Where that used to be rough on the phone, eh? I'm sure.
Yes, yezo nevosi yami
Yeah.
yabhesa nje.
You'd be like,
Give us some of the debt collector voice, yeah, babe.
Yo, hi sisi, asit Fetjo, hello Fetjo, ukhuluma no Rebecca Libram, Elin ma debt collectors. We've seen that we've been trying to tell you what you must pay for 3 months and then you failed. So we're sending our guys to check the car.
you better have my money.
I like it.
No, don't come today. I'll make a plan.
Yes. Oh shame.
That's so crazy. Listen, we have 3 minutes left. We have to talk about this engagement.
Yeah.
Zodwa, you proposed your Benton. Are you happy with people calling you Benton?
No, I'm not happy, shame.
You're
Not
not.
for me. Mina vele ngazenzela ngami yena shame akayithandi.
Akamthanda uBenten.
He's 23. Oh man. 11 years.
He's your man, Zodwa.
11 years.
He's your man. Don't emasculate him, guys, by saying he's a Benten. He's a
Yeah.
man, that one.
Yasebenza le muntu indoda.
Is your man in the bedroom?
Yes. That's why I'm
That's why.
yeah.
How does it feel about like the because your life is on stage, very sexual. You're always semi-naked, almost naked, and men are always hitting on you like, what happened
Yeah.
to Fontaine? How does he feel about that?
You know, I just do me. I tell him umsebenzi wami I'm a Capitec nawe. So sizodibana nasesidibana as in ngchayisa. Yeah. I make sure ukuthi nje uno complain but I make sure ngithi hey ngiphuma kude mina engenhlupheko. So anginasikhathe I love you. It's either you are with me uzozibona.
Lavi-davi. So, Zodwa, from woman to woman, how do the parents feel now that you are going to take out ilobola, uthenge amaringi, yonke lonto?
I'm getting along with Umawake. I met the uncles, but manje we have set the date for the 20th for Amalobola. So we're gonna see. Yeah, this month. Yes.
That's
so,
Monday.
Ngizawubona phambili.
Yeah, so ngizobona phambili if they reject me or they
Hayibo.
take Amalobola.
So first comes the marriage, Zodwa, and then comes the baby. Are you ready to
No,
be a mother?
I won't have a baby. We'll use my daughter. Maybe so tatama sperms wakhe swa freeze. Then isizoba no palisa or pinky swafake amid.
Okay, so
I
you want surrogate when?
Yes.
You're not about that life.
I know ngisigugele mina Fetjo. Yes.
So are you gonna take his surname or is he gonna take yours?
He's gonna take mine.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's your real surname?
Libram. Yeah. Yes.
Then, okay, Zodwa, how does he feel about that? He doesn't want to be called Ben 10, but he wants to be called your surname.
Yeah, it's our life now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Actually, I was with no, he bought me Yaris.
Ah.
Yaris.
In their levels,
Yeah. No, at least mina I still kept my Yaris bona till today abanatwa in Lamborghini. Yes, I was with Kanye yesterday.
And did she know that the two of you were dating him at the same time? At that time?
For 3 years. Yesterday we did the confrontation thing. As in,
Really?
yes, we met her. We shot the scenes for my reality show. So everything is there. She cried. I was like, can you cancel me? You know? No, at marung figisile. So, you know, everything has turned. But tata osem samo limbege emnyango. You know, I saw that. Yes.
Wow.
And I couldn't bribe her or beg her so much for her to be on my reality show. She just did it, you know, without me paying her anything. So it shows it's time.
That's beautiful. And when is the reality show coming out?
25th of May. Yeah, the white wedding in June. You are all invited.
Wow.
Oh, where is
I'm
it?
doing a white wedding and traditional.
Oh,
Chesa.
yay.
Whether they take the lobola or not.
The wedding is going on.
Uzathi yonke ke ibhatalwe ngeempundu zam.
Yes, yes.
Hey, Zodwa.
Congratulations on everything. I'm so happy for you. And especially given your story. One final question.
Yeah.
What's your take on what's happening with the baby?
Yo, angizingeni into zabantu ke sikhokho sami. I swear. Mina noma ungafa eSouth Africa bakuposte ku Twitter, ku Instagram bathi rest in peace, rest in peace. If I don't know you personally, I stay away.
Okay.
Any trend that's gonna be making
What do you think of the she opened the gateway for us to enter her world? She asked for help, and now, like, look what happened yesterday.
yes, ngibone namanje emaphepheni. Hey sikhokho sami angizingeni mina ngizingeni.
Akayingeni.
Khuluma ngami. Yabona ungibuze ngokhanyisile ngiyakutshela ukuthi ukhanyisile mbawu this and that. Angisabi ukuthi hayi uzothi manje wayikhuluma ngami eradweni because that's my life. Omunye umuntu hayi no.
Okay, are you friends with the two of them?
I work with them, I bump into them, I see them, I hug them, I talk to them. Yeah, but they are not my friends. I see them. Yeah.
Zodwa Wabantu, ladies and gentlemen. Follow her on Twitter at Zodwa Wabantu. Her TV show debuts 25th of May.
Woo!
Thank you so much.
Yeah, girl.
Here is your news.
Yay.